You know what? Look, that's a good hack and slash move. Look at that. He's got great hack slash movement. I'm the supreme leader now. Swish, swish. Welcome to Midtown Comics TV. I'm Mario, and today we're unboxing the Star Wars Meisho movie realization Samurai Kylo Ren from Bandai Tamashii Nations. This is a beautiful, beautiful package, which is in line with the rest of the figures in this line. So you can actually see you've got a little bit of a portrait of your figure there. You got your figure name here, and your informatory information on the back. So let's pop this guy open and see what we're working with today. I really like the Meisho movie realization figure line. This figure line started with Darth Vader a few years ago, and it's been continuing with some Stormtroopers and some other periphery figures. My favorite character in this line is the Ronin Boba Fett figure. Inside you've got your classic A Long Time Ago in a Galaxy Far, Far Away line. You have your instruction packet, which tells you how to pop off hands and how the lightsaber works. So we're going to start with his accessories. We've got 3 pairs of hands all together. All right, you got your reaching hands, mostly used for force powers. Let's get our actual lightsaber or sword. So it's modeled after Kylo Ren's laser sword. All right, and let's get to Samurai Kylo Ren himself. This figure stands approximately 7 inches tall. Like I said, he's got his fists already on the figure. You can see that the detail in this helmet is beautiful. It actually gives it a full-on samurai look, and it really is detailed nicely. The rest of his outfit is also perfectly detailed. The Star Wars Meisho movie realization series has had a number of action figures over the last couple of years. It began with Darth Vader a couple of years ago, and is now continuing with Kylo Ren in honor of the Star Wars Episode 9 Rise of Skywalker, released later this month. So I really like this figure. I like this line. I would definitely pick up this figure if I were you. And this figure is going to be available at all 3 Midtown Comics locations, also online at the link in the description. So make sure you pick up yours before supplies run out, because this is a very popular line. You don't want to miss out on this one. Be sure to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below on what your favorite Star Wars character is.